It's with great happiness that I enter in our house now. We are back to a moment in which we are listening. We're going to listen to the teaching. And which number is the teaching today? Okay, the teaching today is the number one after taking a break for a while. So now we're continuing the teaching. So the title of the teaching is The God of Abraham. So, which book does truly tell him? Is it the Quran of Islam or the Sefer Torah of Jews? So that is what we're gonna take a look for today. I have to notice that today's teaching is the number one. So this is a new teaching to be given to you. So it's according to YAHOSHUAH. Glory be to him forever. But first of all, now I greet again all of you who are listening, and I wish good things for you who are following the teaching now. So we are back to this moment that we can continue the teaching, and today's teaching is the number one that you follow with me, the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH Ziadiha Elia. So I myself is with you now. You can see me on the picture, and you have heard my voice as well as usual. So again, the title of the teaching is Where to Find the Truth, and which book tells the truth about this God of Abraham, because here we are talking about the book of Jews. So why do I say book of Jews, which is called Sefer Torah, and there is also Quran? Why Elias says book of Jews, Sefer Torah and Quran? It's easy because both of them tell about the God of Abraham, but they have different way to say it, have different version, and which is really opposite, which means completely different and against one another and have no relationship. Because for example, the God of Abraham in the Sefer Torah of Jews is YAHVAH. That is what we can find in the Sefer Torah of Jews. But if we are taking a look at the Quran, we can find Allah is written in. So it's obvious. The question is, which of these books is the true one? Because they have different way to say it, and also which one should we follow when we are looking at it and listening to it. So yeah, for people who don't care about the salvation, they may say it's all okay. But if they really look for the way for the salvation, they will notice that these are different, and there must be one true and there must be one fake. So that's why the question is, which book is the true one? Because from the beginning, I'm telling to you, yeah, and also I'm going to use phone. We're going to take a look on apps, because when I am reading the Quran, I am going to use app that exists. So we're going to see first that first of all, we're going to see that the book of Quran accept the existence of the Sefer Torah. So Sefer Torah is the book of Jews. So we're going to read that, because if we are going to say why do you match this, whether it doesn't have any relationship. So you see, the Quran says that they accept the existence of the Sefer Torah of Jews, and the Sefer Torah is it belongs to Jews, Israelites. So the Quran says that they accept the existence of that Sefer Torah according to the Quran, Ali Imran, verse 3. Al Imran 3. So write this, take it down. I'm going to look for it. Where is it? Ali Imran 3. Ali Imran. Okay, you can show it on the screen. I already see it. I already found it. So here is it. Ali Imran, verse 3. Okay, so let's look together on the screen. So there is an Arab language there, but the translation is below. He sent down to you the book with the truth. So, yeah, it's obvious he has sent down to you the book with the truth, confirming what was revealed before you. So there was a book revealed before it, and he has sent down the Torah and the Evangel. So the Muslims, they accept that he has sent down this Torah and Evangel. So if we are reading Ali Imran verse 2, Allah, there is no God except Him. There is no God except Him. He is the living one, the all-sustainer. That means the one who exists by Himself. So we can see that there is another picture, another thing that we can see. So we must let people know where should they go if they want to get to the salvation. That is the work of Elia. So Elia saves everyone, not only those who call Jesus or Jesus, but everyone who wants to go, they go. If they don't want to go, they can just stay there. So now it's time to call the Muslims to come back and to look at the truth. Look at the truth, because in your book there is such word. You accept that Sefer Torah of Jews. And it is said clearly that it's God Himself, the God of Muslim, has sent this book. So this thing is such a huge thing. It's the God of Muslim who sent the book of Jews, so that Jews followed. So, and also that is the Evangel. So the Evangel is the New Testament, where we can find the story of the Son of God. Yeah, Son of God. The story of Son of God is in the Holy Scripture of Jews, which they Muslim doesn't accept, because they don't accept that God has Son. So you see, there is another problem with that. You see, there is a strange thing with that. So which one tells the truth? But let's carry on. So which one tells about that true God, and who got the truth? Is it the Quran of Muslim, the Islam, or the Sefer Torah of Jews? Because it's only those two can face against one another. I'm not making them fight, but we are going to see what is written. So it's obvious here that the God of Muslim, according to what they say, the God of Muslim has given the Torah and has given the New Testament, or the Good News, the Evangel, where there is YAHOSHUAH, but they changed it into Isa. But the fake Christian changed it into Jesus and Jesus. Yeah, some people may ask, are you Christian? I have to make a remark. We are not Christian. I am straightforward, because lots of people have changed that Christian thing into something else. So Elia is not Christian, but Elia is a follower of YAHOSHUAH, the chosen. The chosen. I am following the chosen. But Christian name, that is already destroyed. So we are not going to get into something which is really destroyed by people. So that is not good. But the cleanest one is we are following YAHOSHUAH, the chosen. Yeah, we're going to get into that sooner. But even the book of a Muslim, they accept YAHOSHUAH, but they only change the name into Isa. We're going to see that sooner, but let's carry on this thing. So from the beginning, here we can see that the book of Quran of Muslim accept the Sefer Torah of Jews. So that is clear. We're going to add another verse. Let's add it so that it is complete. I mean, your scripture is complete. Okay, let's read in Almeida. So the way you write it, Almeida, is as it is pronounced, Almeida. So Almeida 44. I am still looking